Hello everyone, I am Anjali from Diligence Certification. Are you planning to import wireless devices into India like Bluetooth speakers, Wi-Fi routers, IoT gadgets? Then it is essential to know about WPC import license. What is WPC import license? The WPC import license is a mandatory approval issued by the Wireless Planning and Coordination wing of the Ministry of Communication, Government of India. It is required when you import wireless or radio frequency enabled devices into India, even if you already have the ETA. Custom won't clear wireless shipment unless you hold a valid import license. Why is it important? If you import wireless devices without a WPC import license, you may face first, your goods could get stuck at the port, fines or other regulatory actions, delays, storage fees, loss of trust. On the flip side, having the license means smoother clearance, lower risk, and more credibility in the market. What products and who needs it? This approval is needed for any devices that uses wireless or radio frequency, for example, Bluetooth speakers, headphones, audio system, Wi-Fi routers, modems, access points, smartwatches, IoT device, home automation gadgets, drones, remote control equipment. Whether you are an importer, manufacturer, or e-commerce seller, if you bring these kind of devices into India, you need WPC import license. How to get the license? Here is how you obtain the WPC import license. Make sure your product has ETA approval if required for the wireless module. Company incorporation, IEC code, GST, technical details, test report. Apply through the Saral Sanchar portal, upload documents and pay required fees. Track your application. Once approved, you receive the import license. Keep in mind that for each new model or variant, you may need a fresh license. If you need any help with the process, documentation or submission, we at Diligence Certification are here to help you from start to finish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.